Hello, my name is Shelly and I'm going to be showing y'all how to use Canva. So here is the homepage for Canva, and basically it's so that you can create flyers, posters, cards, anything like that. So first you go to the homepage and then you can create a design. It's going to give you some examples of different things that you can make. In my class, when I teach about symbiotic relationships such as mutualism, commensalism, parasitism, I will assign a wanted flyer to my students, and they have to write from the point of view of one of the organisms searching for someone to have a symbiotic relationship with. So I'm going to click on flyer. And it's going to pull up a flyer that's been pre-made. And it will have all the text and pictures and everything, just like the website has. So from there is where you're going to be able to change and make it your own. So for example, here's a lot of the different templates you can pick. And if you want to shorten what you're looking for, you can search for something. So I'm going to search for maybe advertising flyer. And it's going to give you a bunch of different examples. So here's one. I like to choose ones that already have pictures in there because you can just substitute your picture. So I clicked on this, okay, and there is the flyer. So this is my template over here. Then what you can do is use this bar over here to change the text, background. You can upload pictures. So on the text, you can add a heading if you want. Most of the time what I do is I just edit. So you can click on that. You can make it bigger if you want to. You can center it. So I'm going to change mine. And you just click on the words and replace them with whatever you want it to say. So I'm just going to say wanted. What's a relationship? So and say I want a fluffy dog. And then you can just go and change all of the information on here, and they can change the picture here. And you can upload an image and replace that image. So you can choose whatever the images you have on your screen. So I want to show you a couple of things that my students did last year using this. Here's one for a fluffy dog. That's why it was in my mine. Okay, so it says wanted fluffy dog. It has a picture of the dog, of a flea, and it says desperately seeking a parasitic relationship. I'm a flea with a thin body and springy legs who can jump 1,000 times my own body size. I'm in search of a dog with long fur for me to cuddle up in, thin skin for me to bite, and short nails to keep from scratching me. I need your help because your blood is my nutrients and need it to help me keep me alive. In return, I promise to give you the heebie-jeebies and plenty of scabby bites to scratch and keep you busy. Then it has like a little contact me. So there's one of them. And I have tons. Let's see. How do I get out of here? Here's a lot of other ones. Let's see. Here's one with acacia trees. And this is what I use it for in my classroom, but there are many other things that you could use it to do. I know with my 6th grade classes, we do a flyer, an information flyer about a planet, and I assign different planets to use. You could also use it as a note to send home to parents. But here's the home page, and you can choose whatever templates you would like, and you can change the words, the pictures, the text from a template, or you could even make your own template. I hope you enjoy and find a way to use this in your classroom.